Today I want to talk to you about the perfect face routine that you can do to optimize the anti-aging process on your face. So as you know, I have a company called Renew Me, which is the skincare product side of my business. And then I have another company called FACEROBICS, which is the face exercise side of my business. So basically within these two businesses, there are programs that I have created for you to enjoy and to start helping yourself look younger. Now, the first side of the business is FACEROBICS. So with FACEROBICS, it's clearly a facial exercise program, and that program is a full facial exercise program. So on the other side of things, we have Renew Me, and these are my beautiful, beautiful skincare products. Now, with Renew Me, what you do is you have a complete program of skincare with that as well, because there are some very innovative home use devices that I sell on the site. So with the product side, what you would do is use your skincare products daily. So you can use them twice a day, in the morning and the evening. And that is the cleanser, the toner, the day cream, the night cream. And then depending on which device you choose to use, it helps you again rejuvenate your skin. Now, because I don't have an exfoliator in my product line, I have this little device that exfoliates the skin. It's an amazing little device. It's called the Laser Lift. And basically you would use this 3 days a week. So the whole thing about my program is about not overdoing and overstimulating the skin. Because you're doing all the exercises, that's stimulating the skin. That certainly stimulates the skin and the muscles. But we also have to work on the skin to make it look more refreshed and refined. And this little device will do it. Now, the skincare is just amazing. It's so gentle, and it's a line that is for sensitive skin. And I've had very few people that are actually sensitive to it. So it's a beautiful skincare line. And I'll talk about that later in other videos. Now, the other one I have is this mask, and this is called the Younger Me mask. And this mask will certainly stimulate the skin and help reduce those fine lines and wrinkles, as opposed to this one, this one takes off the top layers, the very top layers of the skin, and gently exfoliates the skin. Whereas this one, the Younger Me mask, will rejuvenate the skin. And it's got 3 colours on it. It's got blue, it's got red, and it's got orange. And you'll find that the red one will stimulate collagen, it will help the elastin in your skin, it will give a beautiful dewy look. The orange is very warming, and that is very rejuvenating as well. And I might do a red treatment for a week with the mask, and then I might do a orange treatment. Very rarely do I use blue. Blue is for antibacterial stuff, and it helps clean the skin and make the skin very, very clean, and takes away all that bacteria on the skin. This here is a mask that you would use if you are not using any other devices. You can use this 5 days a week, and it's a very easy mask to use. It's only 61 grams, which is like really light on the face, so there's no indentation. You don't have to deal with any cords. It's got a USB cord in it. You can take it anywhere in the world. Amazing little thing to use. And these are the different treatments that I have for Renew Me and for FACEROBICS. So when you combine these treatments, you have the chance to really rejuvenate your skin. Now, I use them. This is the only thing I do. The only other thing I use is when I massage my face, I use natural oils, and that's the only other thing I use on my face. And I use all of my own products. I follow my own program, and I am delighted with the results that I've had over time. And you can get those results as well. So it's a full program that you can follow. And if you follow it religiously, if you do these things religiously, it is amazing. It's remarkable the changes that you can make on your face. Now, the other thing is that these treatments are not long treatments. Like the mask, that's 10 minutes. So you can have that for 20 minutes on your face, and you can do 10 minutes on your neck. And that's what I do. I do it at night when I'm in bed, and it's very relaxing after a really hectic, stressful day. So you can do these treatments in a nick of time. I remember I was watching a person on YouTube. I very rarely watch YouTube, but I watched this woman on YouTube, and she was talking about her nighttime treatment. And I counted all the products she used. It was something like 39 products. And these products were incredibly expensive products. I'm talking $200 a pop. And 39 products, right? And then she started on a morning routine, and that was a little bit less. I think it was about 28 products. And I thought to myself, there's no way I would get up in the morning or at night, use all these products on my skin. and take hours to do that. This is why with my line, you just wash your face, you tone, you put your day or night cream on, and then when you want to do a treatment with this takes around 10 minutes as well to do your treatment. Your skin is beautifully exfoliated, and then you can either go to bed, put your night cream on, go to bed, or put your day cream on and off you go. It's a very, very quick. Here is the link. Go to that link and have a look at the product and just have a look and see if there's anything that you'd be interested in. So I think it's very important that we do this, because being a beauty therapist, I have learned over the years what we need to do for our skin. And as I've mentioned to you, everything that I do for my skin is very gentle. I don't do harsh peels. I don't use harsh exfoliators, and that's why we use this, because it's a very gentle way of exfoliating the skin. Nothing is harsh. All of my product is very soft and gentle and very natural, and my cleanser and toner, all of it, it's just the most divine product. It really is, and I'm so proud of it. So that's the whole main aim. We don't want to do anything really that's going to damage the skin in any way. And this is why I don't have invasive products like, the needling. And, fine, people can do it, but I just can't bear the thought of needles anyway. So to put them all over my face like that, I just wouldn't do it. And that's why all of my products are non-invasive products. So I hope that's been interesting for you today. Please do have a look at that link, and please, everybody in the world, please stay safe and keep yourself safe, and I'll see you next time.
Little
Bye.
by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece.